Hi, it's Rick here from the CAD Jewellery School, and in today's short video we're going to have a look at a Panther tool called Metal on Curve. And it's a great tool for doing filigree type work and scroll work and things like that. So I've got a curve that I've created here, and let me just select that curve and come to the Tools menu here. And it's in the second row, it's the fourth icon along, it's Metal on Curve is the tool. Just click the icon there to start that. And the great thing with this tool is it creates three profiles, one at the end or each end and one in the middle of the shape that you've created. And we can adjust the parameters and the cap at the end and a few things like that. So let's just start with the starting profile here. I'm just going to drop the width down pretty small, about say 0.6 of a mil. And just let me fix the rotation here. I'll set the rotation at 0. And actually we'll drop the height down a bit, say 1.2. Now the thing is that it's not oriented on my curve correctly, so the curve in this case is going to be a center line. So if I come down here under options, one of the options is the length firstly of the cap. You can see that changing at each end. Just drop that down to maybe 0.5. And one option here is center on curve. I'll just click that option, switch that on. Just don't worry about these end caps. This will fix itself up in a moment. The mid profile, let's just adjust its parameters. I'll make that a bit narrower. And same as the end. Just drop that down. And the height, we'll drop that down as well. Again, we can adjust the cross section. So I can get it to flare out a little bit, as you can see there. And I can also select different cross sections for each, the start, the middle and the end. So let's just change the cross section here. I'm going to use 004 for this one. I'll do the same at the start. I'll use the same one, 004. And for the mid one, I'm going to choose this one, 007. Now, you can see it's just rotated there a little bit, so let's fix that up. Might have rotated the wrong way. Oh, that's the end profile. It's the mid profile I want to change the rotation of. It's here, sorry. There's a few options in this tool, as you can see. Let me just adjust that. I want to adjust it the other way actually. Rotate upwards. And the one on the end. Wrong end. Something like that. And the start is the one I want to rotate. Something like that. So the great thing about this tool is you don't have to place cross sections or profiles as you could do with the profile placer and then have to sweep that and create an end cap. It does it within the one tool. So it's pretty handy. Have a play around with it and see if you can come up with a few ideas for some of your pieces of jewellery. Alright, I'll just close out of this tool. Let me just go to Panther rendered mode here. You can see that. Okay, bye for now.